Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Shopify order cannot be shipped to your location. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So if you're having this problem, or if your customer is having this problem, then in this case, there is a fix that you could do here, but it actually depends on what you set on your store. So I'll make this really fast. So how to fix this one? So first things first is you need to go to Shopify account or in your store admin page here. And then what we need to do here is we need to go to settings, and under settings, we want to go to shipping and delivery. So just to give you a general idea on why this issue is persisting, because most of the time, if a customer or if you are receiving this issue, most of the time, the cause itself is you incorrectly setting up your shipping and delivery. Now, for you to fix that, you need to make sure that your details here are correct. Like for example, make sure that your shipping rates here or your general profile here is properly set up. So if you want to add a custom shipping rate here, you could go ahead and create a new profile here. But in this case, general would do. And under general, what you need to do is just make sure that everything is set up. Like for the shipping cost, the shipping rates here, make sure to add that. As well as if you want to add new rate, just click on add rate here. If you want to create another zone, you can go and click on create zone here. So yeah, so for you to fix this one, it actually depends on what you set on your store. So make sure that you set your shipping zones here and your shipping details correctly, and most of the time that would actually solve the issue. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.